Good morning! Samahan niyo ako ngayon. I'm going to one of my sites and imi-meet natin si client doon. For turnover na kasi yun. So, ito ang aking trusty na portable fan. This one is actually from Yule and it comes in two colors. I chose yung ating rock white. Ito nang kagandahan nito, kaya ito yung naging favorite ko nowadays because it serves as your power bank as well. Ayan. This is my OOTD. Ayan. O, diba? This one is actually from TikTok. And then, ayan. I'll show you my shoes. So, ito, comfy to. Gustong-gusto ko itong sinusuot. This is from Pose o Pose Parker. Parker! So, ayan, nandito na tayo sa site and hintayin lang natin si client para makapag-usap lang kami regarding dun sa mga next steps sa phase 2 ng kanyang bahay. So, as you can see, ayan siya. Ayan, bilang 12 o'clock na, magla-lunch muna tayo. Ayan, sobrang init ngayon sa labas. Ayan, going to the office naman later kasi I will have a meeting there in the afternoon. So, ayun lang. Kain muna tayo and I'll get back to you later.